Welcome to another video where I teach you 25 very short but very useful phrases in Spanish. As usual, I do Spanish fast first, then I repeat it slower, and then I do English, so you can just listen to it. Okay, so let's get started. Number one today is déjame en paz. Déjame en paz. Leave me alone. I know we're starting quite strong today. Like when some friend is annoying you, or they don't stop repeating themselves, or they don't accept your answer, you say, tío, déjame en paz. Dude, leave me alone. Similar one, vete. Vete. Go away. Like when you're not in the mood and somebody is too close to you or asking you things, you can say like, vete, vete. Go away, go away. Like you don't want to deal with anything right now. Super common one, cállate. Cállate. Shut up. But it can also be used like, let's say that, like if you see a friend telling somebody else something they're not supposed to, and you say like, shh, cállate. Like, hey, shut up. No me hables. No me hables. Don't talk to me. Again, you don't want to hear anybody, you don't want to hear anything, so you can just say, no estoy de humor. No me hables. I'm not in the mood today. Don't talk to me. Quédate aquí. Quédate aquí. Stay here. Like if I have to go somewhere, I can tell my older son, quédate aquí un momento. Stay here for a moment. Another one, sal de aquí. Sal de aquí. Get out of here. Like you're in the bathroom and the children decide that that is the best time to come tell you stories. So you can just say, venga, sal de aquí. Come on, get out of here. Llego tarde. Llego tarde. I'm late. Like you're having a conversation with friends and they don't let you go. They keep talking and talking and talking. So you say, bueno, me voy que llego tarde. All right, I'm leaving because I'm going to be late. And when you are late and somebody calls you to ask, where are you? You can say, salgo ahora. Salgo ahora. I'm leaving now. Like your boss is calling you, hey, where are you? You're late. And you can say, salgo de casa ahora. I'm leaving my house now. And of course, your boss is going to say, no te preocupes. No te preocupes. Don't worry. Everybody knows that the boss is going to say that if you're going to be late. Elige uno. Elige uno. Choose one. I just like that when you have a choice. You can say, for example, you show them, elige uno. Choose one. Contéstame. Contéstame. Answer me. Like when my son is playing video games and I ask him, ¿Qué has hecho hoy? What did you do today? And he doesn't listen, he doesn't answer. So I have to say like, hey, contéstame. Hey, answer me. Sé sincero. Sé sincero. Be honest. Like the trick question when your girlfriend or your wife asks, ¿Qué te parece mi amiga? What do you think about my friend? Sé sincero. Be honest. Don't lie. Always lie. Miente. It's a trap. Es una trampa. It's a trap. Don't answer that. But they probably don't give up and ask, dime la verdad. Dime la verdad. Tell me the truth. Like, es guapa, ¿no? Dime la verdad. She's pretty, right? Tell me the truth. Again, no. No lo hagas. Don't do it. Sé fuerte. Be strong. En cuanto puedas. En cuanto puedas. As soon as you can. Like, ¿cuándo necesitas el dinero? When do you need the money? En cuanto puedas. As soon as you can. No toques eso. No toques eso. Don't touch that. Like if somebody's gonna touch something you don't want them to. Like my children with the laptop. No toques eso. Don't touch that. Or worse, if something is really hot or something, you can say, no toques eso. Es peligroso. Don't touch that. It's dangerous. Vuelve pronto. Vuelve pronto. Come back soon. Like when you leave a store. Gracias. Vuelve pronto. Thank you. Come back soon. And when you get in the shop, bienvenido, bienvenida, welcome. Hola, bienvenido, ¿qué quería? Gracias por venir. Gracias por venir. Thank you for coming. Like, you invite somebody to your birthday and they come to your birthday party. So when they leave, adiós, gracias por venir. Bye, thank you for coming. Déjame pensarlo. Déjame pensarlo. Let me think about it. Like, you have to choose. You have a salesperson trying to pressure you a little and they say like, ¿Quieres el coche rojo o el azul? Do you want the red car or the blue one? Déjame pensarlo. Let me think about it. Relájate. Relájate. Relax. Like when somebody is upset, the last thing you should say is relájate, relax, because that is just going to make them more upset. Sin prisa. Sin prisa. No rush. Like when I ask my son to do homework and in 2 minutes he's like, ya está, done. And I have to say, tranquilo, sin prisa. Relax, no rush. Por tu bien. Por tu bien. It's for your own good. When you give advice to someone, estudia más, es por tu bien. Study more, it's for your own good. De mi parte. De mi parte. On my behalf, from me, for me. Like, este regalo es de mi parte. This present is from me. And something we say very often when we want to send our regards to someone that is not present at the moment, we can say, dale un saludo de mi parte. Give him or her regards from me, on my behalf. Another one, eso no es así. Eso no es así. That's not how it is. That's not like that. When you are trying to tell somebody that that's not the way to do something, or when somebody's telling a story and that's not the way it was. Like if somebody says, no quiero hablar contigo porque no me dejas dinero. I don't want to talk to you because you don't lend me money. You can say, bueno, eso no es así. Well, that's not how it is. There is more behind. Alright? And the last one, te toca. Te toca. It's your turn. It doesn't mean it touches you. It's your turn. Like when you're playing a game and somebody's distracted, venga, te toca. Come on, it's your turn. All right. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing and liking the video so I can keep making more and more free content for everybody. And I will see you in the next one. Hasta luego.